Hello there and welcome back to your DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off or turn on app notifications with the On TV. Let's get into it. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Hop over to your home screen, and I want you to navigate to Quick Settings. At the top bar is the top rightmost option. If you've clicked on it, you should see this page that gives you all settings. And if you've clicked on that, you should be able to navigate to find apps. So click on apps and you're going to see all apps. So click on this option to navigate all of your apps. As you can see, these are the apps I have on my On TV. So navigate to the app of choice. For instance, it could be Canal Plus, and on that application, I could click on it and see these options. So navigate down to where you find notifications. So as you can see, my notification for this application is on. If I do not want to receive a notification on this application anymore, I could click on this toggle and that takes it off. So that's how to turn off the notifications of an application. If you wish to receive notification application, actually, you can press this button as well, and that turns the notifications on. So that's how to turn off and on notifications. If you found that insightful, if it was valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with more content just like this.